Yesterday we talked about using a laptop or a computer to control a hardware device that's used in the production industry. An example of this would be using an iPad to control an audio console, using a laptop to tap into a lighting desk, basically getting a computer to talk to some hardware of some sort. Um, Most of the time you could think of the hardware as being the host and the computer just being an access point. Now, for this to happen, there's two primary ways that the computer's network card talk to the local network. One of those ways is using automatic IP assignment. That's how the internet works. That's how the computers at the university work. The other way is to change the IP assignment to be an actual address that you assign. For the two devices to talk to each other, i.e. the laptop and the switcher, they need to share an address in the same range. So we try and keep the digits quite close together. In case of controlling a audio console with an iPad, you'd actually add a wireless router to the back of the audio console, and then you tap into the wireless router using an iPad. Again, it can be both automatic IP assignment or fixed IP address. So yesterday we didn't use a network switch at all. We just plugged a network Cat5 cable with RJ45 connectors from the switcher to a laptop, and then we booted up Atom Control software. So in order for that to happen, we had to assign our own IP, and I'm going to show you two ways to just quickly do that. So if you remember that we took the IP from the actual device. You need to find that out somehow. It's 192.168.10.240. So we'd want to change our computer to have an IP that's a couple of digits off. So I'm going to do it this way first using the system tray. So down here, the taskbar, there's this little icon, looks like a computer. That's your network port. Right click on it. Choose Open Network and Sharing Center. Find Change Adapter Settings. Click on that. Find your network card. It will be different depending on what computer you're using, but it's usually going to say something like PCIe or Family Controller. Click on that. Right click on it. Choose Properties. Now I'm going to have to log in, but you guys are not. And this window will open. Inside this window, you're looking at for the line that says Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP version 4. Click on it, choose Properties, and you'll see it says Obtain an IP address automatically. We're going to override it, and we're going to type in our new IP, 192.168.10.240. And 240 is the switcher, so we're going to go 242. Click in your subnet mask line and just allow the default address. Gateways, if we were using a switch between them, we're not. So go OK and close. So now that I've done this, I'm probably going to have no internet. So let's have a look. Go to your website, nothing. So the local area network that's running all the computers at CDU needs automatic IP assignment, and that's why the internet's not working. So if you pull a laptop out of a bag on a gig and you're about to use it to, I don't know, pull a song off iTunes or whatever, and you cannot get a wide connection up, this is probably what's happened. So I've got to turn this back again so that I can use my computer. I'm going to do it the other way. Go to Start, go to Control Panel, Enter. In Control Panel, use the search for Network, NETW, and we're going to view network connections, and we're back where we were with the local area connection visible. And instead of right clicking this time, I'm just going to choose Change Settings of this connection. Just ignore the password prompt. And I'm looking for Internet Protocol version 4. Going to go Properties and reassign it to being automatic and go OK and close. You always want to test that it actually took. So I'm going to open my browser and we're straight to the CDU website, so we're good.